feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Food processors make that whirring noise because their powerful motor quickly spins sharp blades to chop, slice, or blend food. This fast rotation creates sound waves, producing the familiar hum that shows the motor working hard to get your ingredients to the perfect texture in seconds.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.